All right. So I just wanted to uh, record this video of me trying to get this front end for YouTube video annotation built. So I don't have, I mean, I haven't tried this earlier, but I just want to record everything to see, and show you the process and show you how, it works or it doesn't. So I haven't finally decided like the tools that I want to use, but I will start with Gemini. The Gemini models these days are really good. This is in April 2025. So yeah, let me just give it a try and we'll see how that works. Okay. So, I'm on Gemini, Google AI Studio. So here I am on the Gemini most recent model. Again, this is one thing that I hate about Google is like there's like, okay, Pro, okay, maybe this is I don't know any of these. Like, what is this Pro Preview 325? I'm assuming Pro means a bit better than Flash. Flash is probably the faster one. Pro is the better one. Let's try. So, okay, the task I want is so I have a file with YouTube URL. So let's also show you the file. So the file is here. Yeah. I mean, this is for India, but there's also a file for the US. So basically, there's YouTube URLs like this. And so what I want to do is I want to show the YouTube URL embedded in a web page and have some options at the bottom which are categories that the video could belong to. So so let's say these are the like let's see, yeah, these are the categories that I want to put the videos in. Music. I mean, these are, yeah, categories I had qualitatively coded for as 15 categories. So let's see if that. So basically, I want to show the video embedded, and then I want to show these categories, and then have an option for the users to choose, and then choose to click on next. So basically, the task would be, and this I want to deploy this as a service on a website, and then use Mechanical Turk or Cloud Research or Prolific or something like that to get participants to annotate these videos. So let me say something. So let's say I want to create a simple HTML website which does the following. Okay, first it has to have a YouTube video embedded, uh, and I'll give a YouTube URL, and you need to show the video embed. Okay, where the participants can click and watch the video on my HTML page. Okay, maybe I'll just give some context. Just the following, maybe, okay, context. I have a bunch of a few thousand YouTube videos that I want to annotate for various categories. Here's the list of categories. Okay, let me just paste them here. Okay, so pasted below. Okay, the uh, I want to create a task on a crowdsourcing platform where I will show participants a video, and they have to annotate which of these categories a video belongs to. A video can belong to multiple categories. Okay. So I want a simple web page which uh, uh, okay, I want uh, two things. First is um, a script that takes a CSV file containing YouTube video links and produces a HTML page uh, which has which has 20 random videos, one after the other, and two, a simple web page which the HTML web page which has the option for users to click on next until their 20 links, 20 videos are annotated, and each of the I don't know. I mean, this is a bit strange even for me, but basically what I want is I have this file with 1,000 videos, let's say, and I want to chunk that into 50 chunks of 20 videos each. So this is the task that I'll give on Prolific. So 20 videos, I'll pay like, $2 or $5 or something like that. And so basically what I want is I want to firstly randomly sample 20 of those from that file and then create this website so that I can host that as a task. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but anyway, so and for each of those, the web page that I want is like contains 20 videos, and the user should be able to click on next, annotate a video, and go and finish their task. So that's what I want to describe. So let's see. Okay, so this is it should embed a YouTube video. There should be an option to go forward to the next video and back to the previous video. There should be a counter indicating how many videos the user annotates. The categories are the user can choose multiple categories. The Once the user chooses submit, the result should be stored in a SQLite database in a proper format. So that would mean each user should have a unique identifier which we should ask them before we start the task. Okay, I mean, this is assume you have a CSV file in this format. Okay, let me just say 5 less maybe. Okay, so this is 2 at minus of 2 comma I plus. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, maybe I'll just copy all of these. Okay, so I'll just remove this one and this one. Okay, this should be fine. Yeah, anything else? So I have a few thousand videos. I want a script that chunks these into 20. Okay, like let me also say the ordering of the categories should be randomized for every video, just so that they don't have some sort of position bias. So let's try to run this. I mean, let's see how well it does. I mean, it's a very complex task, so it requires at least a few days of development, right? Like, so basically, we want to split the videos into chunks of 20 and then generate this HTML file dynamically. but each time the HTML file is generated, it should be standalone and that I can host somewhere, and all of that kind of stuff, like where the user can click. So let's see. I mean, it's taking a lot of time, like 30 seconds. Okay, now it's generating. Okay, so it did create like these things and said, okay, this is my structure. So okay, so I have a Flask application apparently. Annotations.db is the SQLite folder. So maybe I'll just create this in my folder here. So I will just say, let's say, okay, maybe I'll just do American, I plus American videos. Yeah, true minus 3 comma pipe at minus, let's say, 10,000 into, let's see. So I'll just do first this one and then YouTube annotator videos.csv, cd YouTube annotator. Okay, so then I have, okay, so this is how the videos file should look like. Man, this is fucked up. Sorry. So I need to do this one, annotator videos, less annotator videos. Okay, so this is correct. So now this is correct. So now I have this app.py. Okay, so is this done? Yeah, this is the good and bad thing about Gemini is it creates these sorts of extremely detailed uh, code. Like for instance, okay, uh, so for instance, this one is like almost 300 lines of Python code. Okay, so then I'll just create this HTML file. So it's mkdir templates, vi templates slash index dot HTML. Okay, this is okay. Then I'll create a static slash JS. Okay, yeah, static slash JS index.js. Okay. Let's okay, so this is this one. Okay. This is good. Then I will say static slash mkdir static slash CSS and static slash CSS slash style dot CSS. Okay. Okay. So then it's telling me how to run Flask. I think I might have Flask already installed, but let me check. Yeah. Okay. Then I fucked up with Python. Yes. Let's check if this is the one I have. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Okay. So now if I go to this one, let's check if this is gonna work. Okay. So this is ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't work. So basically what I want to check is the console. So it says server responded. What happened? Why is this not working? Script.js. Oh, fuck. Okay, I mean, so the basic thing I can do is I can just say, okay, I went here, right? Like, so I'll just say copy. I'll go here. I see this, nothing happens after I enter my user ID. Okay, is this anything other enter user ID? Okay. The videos don't seem to show up. Okay, so probably something is wrong. I mean, the first thing you should do with any of these is actually check what it wrote, right? Like, I mean, I could actually check. Let me go here and then, um, so where's that? This is templates index. So, okay, so it has, okay, so then rotation area, okay. Where are all these things? Okay, this is JavaScript file is not loading. Okay, so it actually said 404 not found. Okay, script.js is not found. So did I put it here? Ah, okay, no, I put it in something else, right? Like, so this is static js slash index.js. I need to put this here. Okay, now this should work. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks, right? Like, so you have a video and then you have these things. Um, and okay, so this video, I'll just, oh man, this is a 3 hour video. I'll just quickly watch and then say, okay, this is about these. And then next. Okay, so the next video is loading apparently. Okay, what is happening here? Let's check here. So this was submitted. And okay, so the next one should load, but apparently it's not loading. So let's just reload. Okay, so that if I reload, it's working. Okay, so yeah, okay, so then I can say, uh, maybe I'll just go back and say, okay, yes, now when I click submit and go to the next video, the it it only shows, but nothing else happens. Okay, so basically, I mean, the main idea here is that again, like this template, right? Like, so just to get this thing working, I mean, this thing will be fixed very easily, but just to get this thing working, it would have taken me like 4 hours of work, set up the database, set up the schema, write the flask code, write the HTML code, and all of that stuff. I mean, still, I think this did not give me the task that I wanted to, like, so which is chunking that file of 10,000 videos and producing this on dynamically, which I can generate myself. Uh, but so but already this is really working very well. Like, so let's check. So here it says, okay, something is happening with the console. Let's go to the console. Okay, so this is the annotation saved, and then yeah, this is being blocked by this thing. I don't know what that is. Um, okay, so what I can just do is I'll just okay, reload. Right, like, so this should be fine. I mean, if I reload, it's working fine. And if I do this, it's not working again. Like, so I assume something is being blocked by YouTube. So let's go and take a screenshot of this, copy. Here's what I see in the console. Okay, so check the browser's network tab. Okay, network. This thing is being blocked. API. Let's see. So what did it say? It's thinking, but I think, yeah, something is wrong on the YouTube side. So I think they're not allowing some stuff. Maybe. Let's check. Okay, so this is indicates that YouTube are typically caused by they're not okay. So comes from line script.js. Where is that script.js error? Yeah, this one. Okay, this is just okay. The problem, which means that set loading here is true. You don't see any subsequent logs. Conclusion is stuck. Go to next video. Okay, so modify to pinpoint. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just do this. Right, so basically, what it's saying is this go to next video. JavaScript is failing. So say static JS script.js. Go to next video, right? So I think if I'm not wrong, right? So this thing is wrong, right? So let's hopefully this is going to be restarted, but let's just restart in any case. Okay, so then I'll go here, go here. Okay, okay. Start annotation. Okay, this is fine. Like, so I'll just say next. Okay, so then the thing calling fetch video, and then I think something else is broken. But yeah, these can be fixed. Like I just have to go through a bunch of them. But as you saw, this is like 4 or 5 hours of work into 10 minutes of work, and I didn't even have the complete idea in my head. I just described it like roughly, and it did the job. So you can use these to get work like this done.